I'm looking for the perfect drink to serve with the veal that Janet's rearing for the F-word restaurant. But rather than wine, I'm going for a drink that's come back into fashion in a big way. Beer. And I want to brew my own. But first, I've got to taste a variety of beers to work out which flavours complement the delicate taste of Janet's veal. I've come to the Marquess Tavern in North London to meet Will Beckett, an expert in matching gourmet beers with food.
Will, how are you?
Good, thanks, Gordon.
Good to see you.
And you?
Beer is the new wine? That's bullshit. Come on, huh?
No, absolutely not. It doesn't have to replace wine, but beer's got the whole range of flavour that wine can do, and it's just as good with food.
I'm going to cook some veal so I can get the best possible match.
A little sprig of rosemary, a little touch of garlic.
Finding the right beer to drink with veal is going to be tough. Anything too strong or too bitter will overwhelm the delicate flavours of the meat. I need something smooth, not too gassy, and something which doesn't have a strong aftertaste.
Out. And there's yours. There we are.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Right, here we go. A little taste of veal, right? It's delicate. It's tasty. So I'm looking for something that can combine those flavours.
Classic British beer, Madonna's favourite.
Well, she's a bloke anyway.
That's not right for you, is it? This is one of my favourite beers. Really, really nice, quite a malty flavour.
Colour-wise, looks nice. Smells quite sweet. See, initially, it's nice, creamy, light, but then there's an aftertaste.
It's a stout, so it's...
Cheers. Oh.
That was one of the ones I thought you'd like. I've got some ones that I don't think you'd like.
Shit.
Try this one.
See, that's not too bad. It's got quite a strong aftertaste. Trying to eat food with that level of bitterness at the back of your mouth as well.
It's a Scottish beer, aged in oak barrels. You're going to get kind of vanilla and caramel on the nose. You get that bit more sweetness.
You can smell the caramel on that. There's no aftertaste, there's no bitterness. Honestly, I mean, how hard is that going to be to replicate that?
The key to this kind of beer is the ageing process. You need to find those kind of barrels.
That is delicious.
It is.
I honestly didn't think we'd ever find that, you know that?
We've done it.
Cheers. Huh?